Assalamualaikum everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about Microsoft shortkeys all from letter A till letter Z, as you can see here, from letter A till letter Z. So first of all we'll discuss of letter A. And letter A, they are saying that if we'll click on Control A, so it means select all. So if I click on my on-screen keyboard, so if I click on Control and A, so here you can see that everything, all of the letters in our Microsoft Word are selected. So this is the formation of Control A. So the next is Control B, bold. This you know. If I click on this and on my screen keyboard, I will click on Control and B. So here you can see that this has been bolded. We can also click here, so we can also click Control B. So here it is bolded. So the next is Control C. The function of Control C is to copy the format. So I want that this format should be copied. So on my on-screen keyboard, I'll click on Control and C. So now it is copied. So we can also paste. For the pasting, we will have to click on Control V. So the next is Control E. We want, if I want that this line should be in the center of the page, so I will click on Control and E. So now it is in the center. You can also see here Control E. This is center. So if I want back, so I will click on Control Z. So the next is Control F. Control F is for finding something. So if I click on Control F, so from here we can search anything and search. So after that it is Control G. And Control G, we have to go to something. If I click on Control and G, so here we can enter our page number 2 and go to. So here is our page number 2. So after Control G, next is Control H. I want this to be replaced. I will click on Control H on my screen keyboard, Control and H. So this is replaced. So the next is Control I. For Control I, we want italic. I want that this should be italic form, like here. We can also click here, but I want for shortcut keys. So we'll click on Control and I. So here is our italic format. So the next is Control J, justify. We'll click on here and click on Control J. So for justify, it is here. It aligns the text to both right and left side between margin and adds extra space between words as much as necessary. You can see that here are that in the rest of the formats words, the alignment is different and the spaces are also different, while in Control J the spaces are different. So the next is Control K. If we want the hyperlink of anything, we'll click on this, we'll copy this and then click on Control K. On my screen keyboard, click on Control and K. So here we can check our hyperlink. Here it is also written insert hyperlink. So the next is Control M, hanging indent. So we'll click on Control M. Control M. So here you click on Control M. So it is not moving our cursor. I don't know why. So we can check at the last. So the next is Control N. Control N is for the new document. If I will click on Control N, so my new document will be appeared. So this one will be removed. So I am not opening. So we can also open our other document by clicking on Control O. So the next is Control P. Control P, everyone know that Control P is for print. We click on Control and then on P. Control and P. It is not doing, so you can click on Control P. So here is our printing options. So the next is Control Q, add space before paragraph. I want space before this paragraph, so I'll click on Control Q. So the space is added before this. So the next is Control S. Wait. Now we'll enter control Q or control Q. So the next is control R. Control R is for the right text alignment. We'll click on control R, control and R. It is not doing, so we'll click on control and R. So it is now on the right side. We'll click on control Z for the back format. So the next is control S for save as. We click on control S. So here this thing will appear in front of you, so we'll click on save. So the next is control T left hand and control U for underline. I want this line should be underlined. We'll click on control U. So as you can see now it is underlined. So the next is control V paste. So first we will learn control C for copy. Now we'll paste it here. Control V. Wait. First we'll click on here and click on control copy. Control C and then we'll click here. Control V for pasting. So as you can see now it is pasted here. So the next is control W for close the document. I don't want to close it, so control X is for cut. If I want this word to be cut, so control X, it is cut it. So the next is control Y if we want to repeat something, and control Z for undo. That undo means again backward, such as I am if clicking on control X. Now it has been deleted. Now I will click on control Z, control, wait, I'll click on control Z so that it can come back, but it is not coming, so I will click on control Z. Now it is coming back. So thank you for your time. If you are new to my channel, like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.